And how would you DCA from here if you didn't invest yet? Well, you kind of have two different approaches. I mean, the best approach is to buy low, sell high, right? It's to buy when everybody's selling. But sometimes that's tough to do. Not everybody does it. But I would say that's actually the ideal time. Let me go through two approaches. One approach, if it's over 80%, you basically just accumulate, or you DCA over the course of X amount of time frame, right? Let's say every month, every 2 months, every quarter, whatever, right? Every week. Basically, that's one approach. If it's over 80%, you basically buy. If it starts trending downwards, if it goes under 75%, or definitely if it goes under 60%, basically time to get out, sell, take profits, not bullish on it for the long term anymore. So basically, you would just essentially just use these gauges. If it's strong buy, you're in. Not strong buy, take profits, get out. If it's neutral, definitely get out. That's one way, right? Basically, if it's strong buy and above, I would just accumulate. That's one method. The other method, which I kind of like, which is a hybrid approach between investing and trading, is using this to create the watch list, then using this to know when to get in. With this, you're basically trying to time the bottom, the reversal, right? Basically, you see, okay, this has reversed here on the 14th at $1.60, and then you basically get in, right? This does more trading. Yeah, I would basically use this as an entry. And then let's say this goes below an 80, I would stop accumulating. I would stop DCAing and just let this ride till this goes below like 80, 75. But obviously, I would test different approaches, but it's kind of one that I'm kind of using at the moment.